Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. The Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is the holy scripture of the Sikh religion. It is unique in the fact that it is not only a religious book, but also a source of guidance, inspiration, and knowledge for all, regardless of caste, creed, or religious beliefs. The Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is regarded as the living embodiment of the 10 Sikh Gurus. Yet, the most incredible part about it is that it not only contains the teachings of the Sikh Gurus, but also of Hindu and Muslim saints and Bhagat. The Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is a spiritual text that emphasizes the upliftment of the downtrodden, service to humanity, and meditation. The scripture is written in poetic form and contains hymns called Shabads. Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji begins with the Mool Mantar, the foundational verse in Sikhism. It encapsulates the core beliefs of the Sikh philosophy, emphasizing the oneness of God, the importance of prayer, and a truthful living. Ek Onkar, meaning one God, the Creator. Satnam, true is His name. Karta Purakh, He is the Creator. Nirpal, He is fearless. Nirvair, He is without hate. Akal Murat, He is eternal. Ajuni, He is beyond birth and beyond death. Sapang, He is self-existent. Gur Prasad, He can be obtained through the teachings of the Guru. Here are a few quotes and verses from the Guru Granth Sahib that help us understand and appreciate its depth of spiritual wisdom. Truth is high, but higher is truthful living. This quote underscores that it is not only acknowledging the truth intellectually, but also living a life of truth and integrity is more significant. Man Jeete Jagjeet literally means conquer the mind, conquer the world. The Guru says that by mastering your mind and gaining control of your thoughts and emotions, you can overcome worldly challenges and achieve success. Victory begins from within, through self-discipline, self-awareness, and inner peace, which come from prayer and meditation. The Shabad Sura So Pehchaniye Jo Lada Deen Ke Het Purja Kat Mera Kabhu Na Chhade Khet highlights that true bravery lies in fighting for the oppressed and standing for justice and righteousness. The concept of standing up for others is a key teaching in the Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. In Sikhism, woman holds an honored status. The quote, "So kyo manda aakiye, jis jamme rajan," states, "Why call women lowly, who give birth to kings?" This emphasizes women's equality and their role in spiritual, societal, and religious realms. Finally, a quote regarding the purpose of human birth. Man tu jot swaroop hai, apna mool pachan. This implies that the divine resides within each individual. The purpose of life is to realize the divine in oneself through introspection, meditation, and righteous living. To conclude, Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is an ocean of wisdom and inspiration, offering a universal message of love, compassion, self-enlightenment, and showing everyone a path of devotion and selfless service. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.